Well, the summer is finally here. Such a nice weather. It's a lot of things you can do in the summer. You can work in the garden, mow the grass, just relax and have some barbecue if it's not flooded. It's amazing. Did you know that Latvia has 500 kilometers of coastline? Sandy beaches and, whatever you need to enjoy the sun. And get a tan maybe, Why not? Let's meet somewhere in 2 days. This is fun.